Leia, what do you want? What day is it? Is it your day? Okay. Which one do you want? That one? Okay. Lap. Ooh, the dog was worked up for that toy. I was gone part of this morning, so she was ready for it. Buddy is getting a creamy chicken recipe little broth. All right, so the theme of that bark box was like movie night. I love how this is an old Blockbuster VHS. That's so fun. And there was like a popcorn and then a remote that she got when the bark box came. That was a fun theme.
Of course.
Buddy got a new toy. I got this cool pack of like little